Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Speak English with Jay and May. I'm May, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. So, Mr. J and I are going to a coffee shop together right now, and trust me, this is going to be so much fun. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say when you walk into a coffee shop, order your drink, and talk to people there, all in simple, natural English. But first, here is your challenge question for today. Listen carefully, okay? The question is, how do you ask for a drink that is not too sweet? Think about it and write your answer in the comments below. We will talk about it at the end. All right, let's go. Mr. J is already waiting for me. Let's not keep him waiting.
May, over here. I'm standing right in front of the coffee shop.
Oh, Mr. J, I can see you. I'm walking over right now. Wow, this place looks really nice.
I know, right? I walked past this coffee shop last week and I really wanted to try it, so I'm really happy we're here today.
Me too. I love trying new coffee shops. Okay, so should we go inside now?
Yes, let's go in. I'll open the door for you, May.
Thank you, Mr. J. Oh, it smells amazing in here. I can smell the coffee already.
I know. That smell always makes me feel happy. Okay, so let's look around first. Where do we order?
I can see a counter over there. I think we walk up to the counter to order. Let's go there.
Good idea. Oh, but look, there's a line. Some people are already waiting.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so we need to wait in line first. That's totally normal.
Yes, it's not too long though. Maybe 3 or 4 people in front of us. We can wait.
Sure. And hey, while we wait, let's look at the menu. I can see it on the board up there.
Great idea. Oh, wow, they have so many options. Hot drinks, cold drinks, tea, smoothies.
I see that too. So, Mr. J, do you already know what you want to order?
I'm thinking about it. I usually like a latte, but maybe I want to try something new today.
Oh, I like the way you think. I'm looking at the cold drinks section. They have iced coffee, iced tea, and something called a cold brew.
Oh, yes. A cold brew is coffee that is made with cold water. It takes a long time to make, but it tastes very smooth and strong.
Oh, really? So cold brew is a type of coffee, but it's made differently. That's so interesting, Mr. J.
Exactly. And it's usually less bitter than regular iced coffee. A lot of people love it in the summer.
I think I want to try that. Okay, we're getting closer to the front of the line. I'm a little excited.
Me too. Oh, it's almost our turn. Are you ready, May?
I think so, but wait, what do I say first? Do I just say my order?
Well, the person at the counter will usually say hello first. Then you can say what you want. It's very simple.
Okay, I can do this. Oh, we're next.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Oh, hi. Yes, can I get a cold brew, please?
Of course. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
I'll go with a medium, please.
Sure. And would you like any milk or sweetener in that?
Oh, Mr. J, what should I say? I don't want it too sweet.
Just say, can I have it with a little bit of milk, but not too sweet, please?
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, can I have it with a little bit of milk, but not too sweet, please?
Absolutely. Great choice. And what about you, sir?
Hi, can I get a hot latte, medium size, please?
Sure. Any special request for your latte?
Can I get oat milk instead of regular milk, please?
Of course. We have oat milk. No problem at all.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so that's one medium cold brew with a little milk, not too sweet, and one medium hot latte with oat milk. Can I get your names, please?
My name is May, M-A-Y.
And I'm J, just the letter J.
Perfect. That's so easy to remember. Your total is $7.50, please.
Oh, May, let me pay for both of us today.
Are you sure, Mr. J? That's so kind of you.
Of course. You can pay next time. Here you go, $8.
Thank you. Here's your change. Your drinks will be ready in just a few minutes. We'll call your names when they're done.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Okay, May, let's find a place to sit while we wait.
Good idea. Oh, I see a nice table by the window. Should we sit there?
Oh, yes. I love sitting by the window. Let's go grab that table before someone else takes it.
Good thinking. Okay, I'm sitting down now. Ah, this chair is really comfortable.
It is. And look at the view outside. You can see the street and the trees. It's really pretty.
I love it here already. This coffee shop has such a nice vibe. Oh, vibe is a good word, right, Mr. J?
Yes, vibe means the feeling or atmosphere of a place. Like this place has a very warm and cozy vibe.
Exactly. So you can say, I love the vibe here when you really like how a place feels. That's such a useful word.
And another great word is cozy. It means warm, comfortable, and relaxing. This coffee shop is very cozy.
Oh, yes. Cozy is one of my favorite words. I always use it when I talk about coffee shops or bookstores.
Me too. Okay, while we wait, can I ask you something, May? Do you come to coffee shops often?
Yes, I come to coffee shops maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I like to work here sometimes. It helps me focus.
Really? I do the same thing. There's something about the background noise in a coffee shop that helps me think.
Yes, it's not too quiet and not too loud. It's just right. I think that's why so many people like to study or work here.
Totally agree. Oh, I think I just heard them call our names. Did you hear that?
Oh, yes, I think I heard May. Let me go get our drinks.
I'll come with you.
Okay, here are our drinks. Oh, look at my cold brew. It looks so beautiful. There's a little bit of milk swirling around in it.
It really does look great. And here's my latte. Oh, they even made a little leaf design on top with the milk foam.
Ooh, that's called latte art, right, Mr. J?
Yes, latte art is when the barista draws a design on top of your drink using milk foam. It's a fun little extra touch.
I love that. Okay, let's go back to our table and try our drinks. I'm so excited.
Me too. Okay, I'm taking my first sip now. This latte is really good. The oat milk makes it taste a little bit sweet and creamy naturally.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Okay, I'm trying my cold brew now. Oh, wow. Oh, Mr. J, this is so good.
I can see it on your face. You love it.
I really do. It's smooth and a little bit strong, but not bitter at all. And it's not too sweet, just how I like it.
That's great. And you used a really useful phrase earlier when you ordered. You said, not too sweet. That's something you can use all the time.
Oh, right. Not too sweet is so helpful. A lot of people don't want too much sugar in their drink, so this phrase is perfect.
Yes, and another helpful phrase is on the side. Like if you want your sugar or syrup separate, you can say, can I have the syrup on the side, please?
Oh, on the side. I like that. It means they give it to you separately so you can add as much or as little as you want.
Exactly. And one more very useful phrase is for here or to go. The staff will often ask you this. It means, do you want to drink it here in the shop or take it with you in a cup?
Oh, yes, for here or to go. I've heard that so many times. And today we said for here because we're sitting inside.
Right. But if you're in a hurry, you can say to go, and they'll put it in a cup with a lid so you can carry it with you.
That's so practical. Okay, so let's quickly remember all the useful phrases. Number 1, can I get a cold brew, please? That's how you order.
Number 2, not too sweet, please. Perfect if you don't want too much sugar.
Number 3, can I have it with a little bit of milk? Great for customizing your drink.
Number 4, for here or to go. The staff asks this, so now you know what it means.
And number 5, cozy vibe. Okay, that's 2 words, but you can totally use them to describe a nice place.
I love that one. Okay, May, so how are you feeling right now about this whole experience?
Honestly, I feel so relaxed and happy. This was such a great idea, Mr. J. Coming here together was really fun.
I feel the same way. And you know what I think? Coffee shops are actually great places to practice English.
Oh, that's such a good point. There are always opportunities to speak. When you order, when you ask questions, when you talk to the staff. It's real conversation.
Exactly. And the people here are usually very friendly. So even if you make a small mistake, it's totally okay. Nobody will judge you.
Yes, that's so important to remember. Everyone is just trying to communicate, and the more you practice, the more confident you become.
100%. And today, you were amazing, May. You ordered perfectly and even asked for exactly what you wanted.
Thank you, Mr. J. I was a little nervous at first, but once I started speaking, it felt totally natural.
That's always how it works. A little nervousness is normal, but you just have to start talking.
That's the best advice. Okay, I think I want to sit here a little longer and finish my cold brew. This place is too cozy to leave right now.
I totally agree. Let's stay a little longer. I'm going to enjoy every sip of this latte.
Perfect. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to say goodbye to our viewers. And that's a wrap, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed coming to the coffee shop with me today and Mr. J. Let's do a quick recap. Today, you learned how to order a drink, how to customize it the way you like, and some super useful phrases like not too sweet, for here or to go, and can I get it with a little bit of milk? These are real phrases that real people use every single day. So next time you walk into a coffee shop, you are ready. Now, do you remember the challenge question from the beginning? I asked, how do you ask for a drink that is not too sweet? I hope you know the answer now. Write it down in the comments below. I read every single comment and I would love to see your answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a new video from me and Mr. J. Thank you so much for learning with us today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.